little bit further over to the left here, and then
yeah, that's how we were always taught.
is left close traffic. Okay. There's a lot of people here that say, you know, oh, staying in the pattern.
No, I mean that airport. It was a former SAC base, and they had Chrysler Technologies out there. Okay, so good to go, right?
Yep, good to go. Watch out for these birdies here. Clear them. Clear left. And so on those takeoffs, don't be afraid to stick the yoke there and then leave it there. Because every time you like go to let off the pressure, the airplane's going to try to turn on you, and then if you push it back down, it's going to try to turn again.
Okay.
Versus if you just leave it constant pressure on those wheels, it's going to be a lot easier to keep the airplane straight.
Okay.
And you'll see when we get to the pavement why you're going to want to do that.
Okay.
Alright.
Yeah, so it was a former SAC base, but Chrysler Technologies had a big plant out there. They had the contracts to repaint all the C-130s and like C-5s and stuff.
Oh crap, yeah.
So, we're constantly like sharing the pattern with monsters.
You're in your little 2-seat airplane, and then there comes a C-5.
Yeah. I need you to speed up a little bit. You got a C-130 coming in hot behind you.
Like, we got the balls of the wall, and flaps are up, and we're as fast as we can go, Captain.
Poplar Grove traffic, Cessna 27 Victor, turning left downwind for runway 27, Poplar Grove.
Yeah, they're like that at Rockford every once in a while. It's kind of fun, though, because they'll be like, make short approach, land long, and keep up the speed. Like, okay. And then if we get about like 1,600 feet in the pattern, because you can see it's going to take us all day to try to climb up to 1,800. Alrighty, carpet's coming on, very good. Power first. There we go.
Yeah, we're almost high. Okay.
Now you can bring that second notch of flaps in. There you go.
Poplar Grove traffic, Cessna 27 Victor, turning left base, runway 27, Poplar Grove. Made it nice for touch and goes though, well, stop and goes, because you could make like full three full takeoffs
on the
and full stops.
Runway, yeah. And final's clear, not seeing any Cubs out here.
Poplar Grove traffic, Cessna 27 Victor, turning final, runway 27, Poplar Grove.
There you go, I'm just watching that airspeed, looking for about 60 to 65.
Okay, I got my feet down on the pedals.
Good. Seems like a little bit of a left crosswind. Go right rudder, left rudder, there you go. So that when we started our flare just a little too
early.
high, yep. Flags are moving pretty good. Alright, how about we'll take off here, we'll go ahead to Janesville.
Okay.
Just before it gets too windy out and we're not able to fly anymore. We're gonna knock out that right away.
Okay.
If that's okay with you?
Yep. Obviously, we'll see how it is on the pavement, but I mean, I feel fairly comfortable with the grass here. I mean, it seemed easier than the Cub as far as the 3-point part of it.
Yeah, I mean, when you get to the pavement though on this thing, you'll see that the 3 points, if you're not paying attention,
goes south in a hurry.
Yes, it really quick.
Okay.
And that's why I like this airplane, because people that get their tailwheel endorsements in Cubs, and that's the only thing that they fly, it's almost a little terrifying, because they can jump in one of these things, and it's not the same. Yeah, if you're able to get your tailwheel endorsement like a Cessna, or like a 140, or like a Decathlon, or something like that, that's the way to do it. Because Cubs are almost a little too easy to fly.
Okay.
Alrighty, we'll go ahead and check our flaps, carb heat, and trim.
Okay, trim.
That's the 3 things we change.
Yeah, I'm gonna have to remember the trim because that's a pretty heavy.
That's a lot of trim. Yeah, because as soon as you lift off, the airplane's gonna then want to hold 60 on the climb out.
Yeah.
You get it in that power on stall condition, and you don't want to be there.
Yeah.
So, alright, I'll depart 27 to the north.
Poplar Grove traffic, Cessna 27 Victor, departing runway 27 to the north, Poplar Grove traffic.
Been fun this takeoff. Just keep that forward pressure in just a little bit more.
Keep it smooth.
Keep it smoother, yep.
Yeah.
Then your takeoffs will be a lot smoother.
Yeah. All right, so got my feet off the brakes. Flaps down.
Yep.
Okay, good to go. All right, here we go.
Go find a line in the grass and make that your center line. There you go, just kind of hold it right about there. Just keep going straight with your feet now. There we go, and then left off. Clear to left. Put a right rudder on the climb out there, staying coordinated. Airspeed is life, right rudder is your best friend, and keep the greasy side down. Remember those 3 rules of aviation?
Be in good shape.
You'll be in good shape.
Okay, go ahead and turn.
Yeah, we're gonna make our turn here. And then we'll follow Route 76 all the way up to Clinton. I'll grab our airport diagram.
Yeah.
We can just go up to 2,000 feet if that works for you.
Sure.
Yeah, that's alright. It doesn't affect the power at all.
Okay.
Where it stops at.
Just a little long on the cable, or?
Yeah.
This is 76 here, right?
Correct. Yep.
Okay.
Ooh, it's gonna get bumpy today.
All right, 100 feet to go. What cruise RPM am I looking for?
About 2,300.
Indicated or actual?
Either or. Yeah, 23, 24.
Okay.
Looking to get somewhere in a hurry, 25. That's a nice crab angle there. Alrighty, so if we're using runway 22, we'll do one touch and go to kind of get you used to the
Pavement.
kind of talking, yeah. So I'll work the flaps, so you just keep it straight, and then you just push in car feet for me when we need it.
Okay.
And then the next one we'll do a full stop taxi back. Okay, so if we land 22, we're going to get off at Charlie to Alpha, cross runway 1836.
Okay.
So just a game of copycat, that's all it is when you go to a towered airport. So I'll give that to you, you can put it on your lap.
Never could find my knee board. Actually ordered another one yesterday. I was looking for it, I was like, man, that'd be pretty handy for today.
It's probably like 8 o'clock and already this bumpy. Gonna be pretty bad out tomorrow, or the rest of the evening then.
Well, thanks again for coming in early, because
Oh, no problem.
yeah, it was killing me losing two more days.
Yeah. No, I really don't mind 7 a.m.s. They're not bad. I actually prefer them.
Yeah.
So